in the shop right now. I've been shooting my bow a lot in preparation for a trip out west, and I got a couple of arrows that just aren't cooperating. So what I'm going to do is make a little arrow roller setup to make sure my broadheads are spinning true on the end of the arrow, and make sure that I've got everything set up right. I'm going to show you this. I see guys going nuts about making these rigs and going and buying stuff. Like, I've done this over the years, and it's super easy. So uh, this, pretty sure almost everyone's gonna be able to do with a few things they have at their house. So follow along. A few minutes later, you can make one of these, be up and going just about anywhere. Okay, my super secret design consists of a board and 4 nails. Okay, so these arrows are, let's see, about 30 inches arrow length, right? This board is 27 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these nails and I'm going to pound them in right here, going this way. And I'm going to pound one in here, going this way to make a little cradle. Okay. Then I'm going to do that same thing on the other side. Okay, I want to have this, you can have it so it's set up back here to get the furthest length. And then I'm going to, this over so you can see a little bit better, but I'll put some down here. If you want, you can have it go here and here. You could use a perfectly sized board if you want to. Really, I'm looking for, if it's straight anywhere for the most part of this arrow, it's going to be pretty good. So, do that. Do this. Okay, now I have a cradle. Look at that. Arrow spins. Amazing, huh? Don't need ball bearings. Don't need anything else. All right. So what you're going to want to do then is, you gotta keep a clean shop like this. I figure if I'm cleaning my shop, I'm not working in it, so I can take this arrow and you can see, you can line it up on the wall, and if you spin it, it should, I won't push it all the way to my fletchings back here, but when you spin it from the back, it should create a perfect dot on the front on the wall. Okay, and I'm not seeing any wiggling going on there. You can put a little lead on the front of a tip, or you can mark your wall so that you can see it, but you can usually see it. And this is it though. I mean, there, and I created a dot there. You can't see it on camera, but I can see it here. You can do this at home. If you got a broadhead, you can kind of push it in a little bit into the wall so it leaves a dot. You can go on paper, but what you're looking for is a exact point, and that's what you're looking for. You don't want a circle. You don't want to create a circle, because that means you got some misalignment between your broadhead, your point, your arrow, and your insert. But there you go. This arrow is good for me. I'm cool with it. So take it what you will, but you can literally do this with 4 nails and a board. So just to get you a feel for what you're looking for a little bit closer here. Here I've got a broadhead attached, and I'm putting it up against the wall, and I'm spinning it. I spin it back from at the knock point, because I don't want to flex the arrow in the center, because if you do that, then you'll get a skewed look at it. But here you can see this is a Magnus Stinger broadhead, and it's running really true. But this is also a broadhead that seems to fly off to the side a little bit, so I got to figure out what's going on. So, but this rules out that issue. I don't think it's a broadhead issue. I don't think it's an alignment issue. It might be something with my knock tuning or something else. So we'll dig into that some more. But wanted to show you this setup. If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.